Hello everyone. This is the infographic I designed to show the growth of renewable energy sources, especially wind and solar, while also drawing attention to the continual slow increase of fossil fuel usage. The first design decision I made was to display the data using a stacked bar graph. This seemed appropriate as it clearly displays the disparity in the different sources of energy. I applied the similarity and anomaly principle of Gestalt design with this representation. The graph on the left represents energy sources in 2000, while the graph on the right represents energy sources in 2012. The viewer can easily see the major differences in certain sections, particularly wind and solar. The 2012 graph is also larger than the 2000 graph. This is to scale, showing that total power production increased. The rest of my design followed from the graphs, using them as the major focal points for the infographic. The percentages and accompanying text on either side are the minor focal points. The colors, both of text and on the graphs, were chosen intentionally. I used an office-themed color palette to help achieve color harmony, which is the idea that colors should have a sense of order. For the colored text, I used the complementary colors of blue and orange to provide contrast between 2000 and 2012. On the graph, I chose green to represent solar and wind, our arguably most eco-friendly energy sources. This is because color theory states that viewers associate the color green with nature and the environment. I used the neutral colors of gray and tan, respectively, to represent nuclear and other power sources. These power sources are not vital to the infographic and do not need to be emphasized. Blue was chosen to represent hydroelectric power for obvious reasons, namely that blue is associated with water. Finally, I used red to represent fossil fuels. Color theory states that viewers will associate red with danger, and fossil fuels are a non-renewable energy source, meaning that reliance on them is dangerous. Additionally, red is green's complementary color, providing contrast between fossil fuels and our green energy sources up here. If any of you have questions or concerns about this design, please feel free to let me know. Thank you all for your time.